everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about two important technologies that are shaping the future: edge computing and 5G. You hear about them all the time, but what do they actually mean? And why do they matter for businesses and everyday life? Let's break it down, but first, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Let's start with edge computing. In a typical setup, devices collect data and send it to a centralized cloud server for processing. But edge computing changes that. Instead of sending everything back and forth, devices process data locally, right at the edge of the network. This reduces lag, improves speed, and cuts down on bandwidth costs. You can watch our full video on edge computing for a deeper dive. Now let's talk about 5G. 5G is the latest generation of mobile network technology. It's designed for faster download speeds, much lower latency, and the ability to connect a lot more devices at once. That's a big deal for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation, where timing and reliability are critical. Edge computing and 5G solve different parts of the same challenge. 5G moves data faster across networks. Edge computing processes that data locally, so there's less distance to travel in the first place. Together, they allow devices to make real-time decisions, whether it's a self-driving car reacting to traffic, a factory machine preventing a breakdown, or a hospital monitoring a patient remotely. More industries are adopting smart devices and IoT solutions. Without edge computing and 5G, networks would get overwhelmed and critical systems would slow down. These technologies make sure data moves efficiently, securely, and fast enough to support real-world needs, from smart agriculture to remote healthcare to smart city infrastructure. Edge computing and 5G are already changing how businesses operate, how cities run, and how devices communicate. Understanding how they work together is key to staying ahead in a connected world. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.